How to make a reservation on all.com. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can make a reservation on all.com. Now how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your all.com account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to your home page, you would see a search bar just below the welcome address. And then below that, you would see your reward point, you see your classic benefit. That is, as a member, you'll see more opportunities, more experiences, you'll see to benefit, etc. Then the next step for you to make a reservation is to click on the search bar. Once you click on the search bar, you have to select where you want to go to, alright, where the hotel that you would like to reserve, alright, and then it's best you select somewhere around you for easy search. So you can just select one here. I've selected an area close to me, and then once you're brought to this page, you can now edit this, alright. You can edit the date. Okay, yeah, normally, let's go back. Normally when you click on search, you can just let's type it out here. Let me start a new search from the scratch. Okay, yes. So once you've selected somewhere close to you, you'll be brought to the calendars page where you have to select when you would arrive and then when you would leave. That is the arrival and departure date. And then once you've selected it, click on confirm. Then once you're on this page, you'll be asked how many will be there. Alright, you can select adults, you can select children. If it's small, you can select it and then click on continue. And if you want to add a room too, you can decide to add a room to the an additional room to the one that you have there. And then once you're on this page, you can now change the currency. Alright, by clicking on the currency icon here, you can change it to the amount that appeals to you, and then you can change the special rates to none. If there's a special rate there, you can change it, and then you can click on search. Then once you click on search, you would wait for the search page to load to display all of the hotels that are available in that area. So there are no available hotels, so you can just modify your search. So I'll be going with this now. And then after clicking on search, and you can see the hotels available, you can now go ahead and select the one that appeals to you. Then after selecting it, you will be brought to another page where you see different options. All right, you see different details about the hotel you would like to reserve, and then you can click on see the rooms at the lower part of the screen. Then you'll be brought to the rooms available and their rates. All right, you can see the different rooms available and their rates. Then you can just click on see rates for the room that you want, and then if it appeals to you, click on book. And once you click on book, you will be redirected to the booking page where you can now reserve the place for you. Now, once you're on the booking page, you'll be asked to enter your name, to confirm the hotel, the price, and then you can now choose the payment method, then finalize your booking. And from there, once you're done paying and you click on book, your reservation will be made. So it is that simple. This is how you can make a reservation on all.com. Ensure you try it out now. Thanks for watching.